In this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 websites where you can actually mine cryptocurrencies at your home using your laptop. Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil, and in this particular channel, we talk mainly about investing as a beginner. We talk about education or career related topics, or we talk about topics which are around productivity. So if you're someone who's new to this channel, feel free to subscribe to watch more of the future videos. Also, in this particular video, I have made it 2 different parts. The first part of the video talks about the main websites where you can actually mine cryptocurrencies for free on your laptop, and the second part of the video, we will be talking about the main points which you should know before you actually mine them on your laptop. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Now the very first website is cryptex.com. Now unfortunately, Cryptex is only available for Windows users, so if you are someone who is currently using a Mac software, you will not be able to use it. Now once you have decided that you want to go ahead with this, all you have to do is go to the website and first go to the resources. Now in resources, you will find mining calculator, so click over here. Now this shows the different graphic cards which are available, and it will also show you how much is the potential amount of money that you can earn per month. So for example, let's say that I have the RX 3080, so I'm going to click over here and I'm going to click on calculate. Now once I do this, this will show me different cryptocurrencies that I can mine, and it will also show me what will be my revenue per 24 hours. So for example, let's say that I want to mine Ethereum. Now in case of Ethereum, in 24 hours, I will be able to mine 0.00245 Ethereum, which will be equivalent to $5.19. So the profit which I actually make will be roughly about $5.14 because the platform has its own commission fee as well. So considering that you're making $5 per day, that is roughly about $150 per month. Now you're not going to use your laptop for the entire month. So giving you a realistic figure, you will be able to earn anywhere between $60 to $70 per month from this particular website. Now if I'm converting $70 into rupees, that is roughly equivalent to 5,000 rupees per month. Now once you have decided that you want to go ahead with this particular website, all you have to do is go on top, go back to the home page and download Cryptex. So once you download it, you will have to create an account over here, and then you can start mining immediately. Now the second website where you can actually mine crypto at home using a laptop is nicehash.com. Now once you are on this particular website, all you have to do is first check your profits. So click on check your profits over here, and it will ask you to start manually update your graphic card. So you enter hardware manually. I've already mentioned the currency in terms of rupees. Now the electricity cost is something which you can mention. In India, roughly about 8 rupees is what is charged for each kilowatt per hour. So I've already mentioned 8. You can select your device. Now let's say that I have the RX 3080 and you click on calculate. So as per the current market rate, I can mine anywhere between 350 to 354 rupees per day. Now that is roughly about 8,000 rupees per month, and that is the income which you are able to generate from this particular website. Now again, like I mentioned before, you will not be using a laptop to mine all 30 days for all 24 hours. So on a realistic basis, you will be able to mine anywhere between 4,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month. Now, one thing which you need to understand about this particular website is that this website has multiple different coins. Now over here, you will not be able to select which coin you want to mine, but the platform will automatically start mining coins for you, which is based on your processor and which is based on the highest profitability. And the balance will automatically be converted into Bitcoins. So you will always see the balance in terms of Bitcoins itself. Now once you have decided that you want to go ahead with this particular website, all you have to do is click on the top right, get started. And over here, you will have to create an account details, and once you have signed up, you can start mining over here. And now the third and the final website is minergate.com. Now this is the only website where you can actually mine on both Mac and for Windows. Now once you are on this particular website, all you have to do is click on services and you will find the option of calculator. So you click on that. Now this over here is the mining profitability calculator. Now, depending on what your MHS is, now for all of you who do not know what MHS is, MHS stands for mega hash rate per second. Now, if you do not know what your MHS is, I would highly recommend that you first Google your graphic card details so that you're able to find what your MHS is. Now, most of the laptops will have an average MHS between 10 to 25. So taking the lower one, so taking 10 into consideration over here, if I have 10 MHs, I'm able to mine roughly about 0.01245 Ethereum per week, which is equivalent to this much amount of Bitcoins. So if you want to check how much is that amount of worth, so checking that into consideration, that is roughly about 2000 rupees per week. So that means that you are able to generate roughly about 8000 rupees per month if your laptop is completely on. Now, like I mentioned before, we will not be mining for entire day. So a realistic figure again on this particular website will also be anywhere between 4000 to 5000 rupees per month. Now, once you have decided that you want to go ahead with this particular website, all you have to do is scroll all the way on the top. You will have the download section. Click over here. And then once you are over here on this particular page, you scroll all the way down. Now over here, you will find different softwares for Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. So depending on which laptop that you have, you can accordingly download the software and you can start mining. So now that you have decided to mine the cryptocurrencies at your home using a laptop, there are a few key points which you should be very careful of. The very first one is that you should actually understand your laptop configuration. Now this is very important because if you're not sure about your laptop configuration, it can lead to your laptop getting spoiled. So when you are normally mining, you either use a CPU or a GPU. So you need to ensure that you know your graphic card details. Second thing is that if you're using a laptop which is primarily only for mining cryptocurrencies, then in that case, cool, go ahead. But most of you will be using a laptop which is a primary laptop as well. So you want to do a daily work on the same laptop and simultaneously you want to mine cryptocurrencies. Now in this particular case, be very careful because your laptop can get overheated. The reason being that when you're mining cryptocurrencies, it actually requires a lot of resources. So it tends to overheat your laptop when you are simultaneously doing other work as well. So I would highly recommend that you actually get one of the laptop coolers so that once your laptop gets overheated, it automatically cools it down. Third thing which you need to be very careful is that if you're using a GPU, you need to have enough video memory storage. Because if you do not have enough video memory storage, then in that case your cryptocurrencies cannot be mined. Now the fourth point which you need to know is that you need to switch off the laptop's power saver mode. Now the reason for this is because when your laptop is kept idle for quite some time, automatically the power saver will switch off the laptop or will take you to sleep mode. Now in this case, if it goes to sleep mode, then the cryptocurrency mining will automatically be kept on hold. So make sure that your power saver is kept off. And the fifth and the last point is that you need to have a wallet. Now wallet is any place where you are actually storing your cryptocurrencies. Now in this particular case, you can actually open an account with CoinDX or WazirX or Binance. The reason for this is because the crypto coins which you are actually mining on these platforms, you need to transfer them to a wallet, and from the wallet you can actually sell them on the exchange. Also, if you want to know which are the top 5 cryptocurrencies which you should be investing right now, I would highly recommend you watch this particular video where I explain step by step why each of these coins have huge potential in future. So do check out this particular video out, and if you found this video useful, do like it, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.